guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to do an Easter makeup look using this palette. I was really inspired by this new palette I got. It has beautiful pink and purple shades and I thought I would do an Easter makeup look with it. Let's put on some hair clips. These are the hair clips I made. Aren't they so cute? I gave many away already to some neighbor kids and friends. I want to go with minty greens today. These two are a matching set. I'm wearing a cute green dress even though you can't see it. Let's start with a cushion. It's getting quite warm and sunny lately, and sunny weather just really brightens up my mood. I'm very happy when sunny outside, then I would like to go out with friends and do stuff. I don't mind gloomy weather though, I can stay at home and binge on TV shows. My skin's not looking the best today, but it recovered from the breakouts. I'm very excited to do a colorful makeup look and then go out later. We also have a lot of cute flower nose makeup to play with. Let me put in context first. This is my favorite context at the moment, Midnight in Paris from Moody lenses. It's a neutral shade of brown that's not cool and not warm. It makes my eyes glowy. Let's fill in the brows. This is my favorite brow pencil I've told you guys many times about, and this is all that's left in it. I just gently fill in my brows like this. I like to give them a natural look and then brush it out. I'm blessed with very full eyebrows, but they're not very pigmented. If you look at them, they're kind of like a dark grey color, but I prefer a warm toned brown, so I like to fill them in with a dark brown pencil. Now to the fun part, let's use a cream blush. This is from Flower No's new Strawberry Cupid collection. This is the shade Frosty Strawberry, a very light, milky pink color. I use this as a brightener blush. It's also a good base color for layering on pink blush later. You see, it blends easily. I forgot to tell you guys I cut my hair. Throughout the years I colored my hair a lot, bleached my hair a lot, and the roots, is it the roots here or the ends of my hair was really damaged and there was a lot of split ends, also a lot of just dry looking hair. Yesterday I went to the barber and cut off like so much of my hair. I had really long hair before, and I told the barber lady I would like to have my hair until here. I thought this was actually pretty much here, but when the result actually came out until here, it looks really short. The sun's kind of blinding me, and the screen, I'm using the screen as a mirror because I have a mirror here. So if something is not blended out, it's because I can't see well. I've had long hair for many years now, so I feel really strange when I grab my hair and like it ends here, whereas usually they're below my breast. So I'm like, my hair is so short. I look at my hair and I think I can't put up a ponytail, but actually I can. I can still get quite a long ponytail. It's not as short as I thought. So now we're taking a little pink blush. I like to put on a pink cream blush and then layer a pink one over it. This makes it last longer and also look more natural. I hope you guys have all been doing well lately. Take care of your mental health, eat well, and treat yourself well. Moving on to contour. I don't really know how to contour, so I kind of mix contour and bronzer together to add some shadow and warmth to my face. This is the most beautiful contour palette from Flower Nose. I filmed a video when I received the Butterfly Cloud Color Collection in PR, and I was so happy. On the end I had 2 palettes from them and I gave one away to my friends. I also got a lot of makeup products later that I bought myself and that brands have sent me, and I shared them all with my friends. Like when I received 5 loose powders from Flortte, I gave 3 away to friends. When I received 3 cushions, I gave 2 away to friends. When I received 2 of the cream blushes in the same shade, I gave 1 away to my new friend. So I'm very happy to be able to receive all these products and to share them with my friends. And I can't use all that makeup up by myself, so it's very nice to share it with others who also love makeup. And I'm also very grateful to have the opportunity to even receive products in the first place, and that makes me really happy to do what I do because I love makeup, and it just makes me so happy to be able to receive makeup products. Every time I get an email of a collaboration, the sneeze was building up but it didn't came. Every time I receive an email for potential new collaboration, it gets me so excited. But I don't take on everything that comes my way. Like sometimes there is apps like face yoga apps, shopping apps, and then there are some Amazon skincare brands I've never heard of. They want to offer paid collaborations. There's just a lot of things that I'm not related with and not resonating with, like a hair tool for $300 or like any kind of cleanser and body skincare from a luxury handmade brand for $180. That seems kind of scammy MLM to me. Like, although I enjoy receiving free products, free makeup and skincare products, I will not take everything that comes my way, especially if it already seems scammy or shady to me, or it's from a brand I've never heard of and just doesn't seem trustworthy. Just for the sake of receiving free products or just for money, for commission, I wouldn't do that. Stay genuine to yourself, don't lose yourself no matter what you do. If these are products that I wouldn't trust and wouldn't use on my face personally, why Why would I promote it in a video just to show you guys and tell you guys to buy it, just to make a few bucks and commissions? I wouldn't do that. That's not what I stand for. After the fun part, eyeshadow. This is my first time using the palette. I haven't tried any of the shades. I think I swatched this pink one on my hand before. The sparkly shade is really shimmery, really sparkly and glittery. I love it. I grabbed out 2 brushes that I used pink and purple eyeshadows on. I haven't thought of what look I want to do.
Two hours later.
Let's just grab the middle shade first as a base. When I think of Easter, I think of pastel shades like light pink, lavender purple, light minty green that looks really refreshing, a little bit lighter than this, and a sunny warm yellow color. Easter is not celebrated here, but we will dye colorful eggs just because it's fun. And the egg dye we buy have 4 shades in it: red, yellow, green, and blue. And then you can also mix them up in different combinations to get 4 more shades. There is pink, purple, orange, and a light minty green color. And my favorite shade to mix is the pink and purple shades. So today we're doing a pink and purple makeup look. I think I'm going to put pink on the inner corners and then purple on the outer corner. This is very simple. Just take the pink shade, then we're going to pop it on the middle of the eyelid and then blending it in. The matte eyeshadows from Flortte is actually very creamy, smooth, and easy to blend, easy to build up. They're perfect for beginners. They're not the most pigmented I've tried, but they're also not sheer. Like if you would compare to other Chinese or Korean beauty eyeshadow palettes, they're not sheer compared to that. I also take the 2 pink shades and put them on my lower lash line. I like to match whatever I do on my upper eyelid to my lower eyelid. Now we're going with the purple. It's not really a purple shade, more like a blue purple shade, like a periwinkle purple. I like this kind of purples, they're unique. Oh, that's really pigmented. If you know me, I like to work with matte eyeshadows first, get the color I want, build it up, and then get them to be smooth and blended and softened out before I put on a shimmery eyeshadow. If you think you brought the eyeshadow up too high, you can just brush around the brow bone with your fingertips and then blend over it again with a fluffy brush to soften out the edges. Putting it here as well. With purple eyeshadows, you need to trust the process. It always looks like you got beaten up until you top it off with glitter. This for the inner corner, this for the outer part. Let's try the purple. I haven't tried the purple before. They are so pretty and sparkly, and I love how they kind of gives a wet finish. I love this kind of shimmers. They're kind of see-through, transparent. It's not transparent, of course, but they kind of just give you that transparent glow that makes the eyelids look wet when you apply it. It's so pretty and it reflects under the sunlight. Starting with the purple on the outer part. They go really well with a brush, but I like to use my fingertips more. It's more intense than I thought. I only dipped it very lightly with my finger, and there's so much, there's still some on my fingertips. It's enough to cover the whole eyelid. And then I take some of the pink. Some for my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply eyeliner, mascara, and then false lashes. I normally never use false lashes, even though I've bought 2 packages, but I don't know, I can't make them work. And then the new friend I made, she came over and she taught me how to do eyelashes. She's not very good with makeup, but she loves putting on false eyelashes. It really opens her eye up, and she have like a whole drawer full of different eyelashes, and she brought them over and taught me how to do my lashes. She also does the technique of putting the sectional lashes under your natural lashes instead of on top of it. Let's apply eyeliner. I'll do my mascara and then the falsies. I'm not sure I can do the false lashes while filming on camera. Last time when I did it with her, I needed 3 hands. Both of my hands, one for holding the mirror, one for holding the lashes, and then one hand for hers, pulling up my eyelid like this so I can get under my lashes. The eye makeup is really cute in person. I don't know why it's not looking so flattering on the camera. If you recreate this look, it will look cute. Just trust me. I don't want my lash glue to dry out. Maybe I do the lashes first. She gave me this tweezer and taught me the tip: never let your tweezer touch the glue. That's why your tweezer gets sticky later and then it's hard to work with because it touched the glue. We're going to start from the outside. I'm really nervous because it's not my field of specialty. Did I just get it on the first try? You can use your finger to adjust it, but don't use your tweezer. You don't want your tweezer to touch the glue. Second piece. You can't see, but my hands are shaking a lot. Second one's on. Perhaps I'm getting lucky because I'm on camera, they just went on the first try. But the other day when she was teaching me hand on hand and I was putting on the lashes, they fell down many times and I freaked out and tried to look for the lashes on my pants and where it fell. I think that looks pretty good. I also got this highlighter from Flortte. This is from their Midsummer Fairy Tales collection. This is the shade 04 Fairy Whisper. I tried it the other day and the shade looks very pretty, but it was hard to control on my face and on my eyes. I'm just not used to liquid highlighter. I think this is actually the first liquid highlighter I got. Here. You see how the wand looks white and green, and then on hand, after you apply it, looks pink and then looks gold and looks green in some angles. It's a multi-chrome. Here it looks peachy. Here it looks like a silvery pink. Here it looks, I'm not sure how this looks. It's a color shifting highlighter. I'll just take what I have on the hand here a little bit and pop it on my cheeks. In person it just looks pink. I think I got too much. I need to learn to use it, then I'll show you guys next time. I think we could use some white eyeliner before I finish off the look. I spray it with fresh drinking water and then I take an eyeliner brush and go over it. I think this was the best discovery and best purchase I made. Back then I had a white eyeliner from NYX. It was like a regular eyeliner that you pour out, there's a brush on it and then you apply with it. But there was only like 1 ml of product in it. It dried out or got finished pretty quickly. And this one lasted me already over a year now. There's just so much product in it. How about we put on hearts? This was my favorite part of my Valentine's Day look, so I've always wanted to do it again. You can finish it off here if you want to. Let me put on a lipstick and show you guys the finished look. And then I will use the white eyeliner to draw an egg and maybe a bunny. Look at this cute lipstick. This is the strawberry cake lip cream from the Strawberry Cupid collection from Flortte. It smells very nice. It's the shade 03 Croissant. It's a soft matte lip cream. It goes on super smooth, super creamy. I remembered it to be more pink, but I guess not. We can top it off with this pink lipstick from the Butterfly Cloud Color collection. I want something a little more pink. And then you can also use white eyeliner to draw on other stuff. You see how quickly I drew an egg? I have very flaky hands and no creativity, so if I can do it, you can do it too. That actually turned out really cute. In my mind I was just like, let's draw a bunny. But what do I draw in a bunny? I want to draw the bunny ear. But okay, that will look awkward with only the ears. So let's draw a circle as a face, and it's so simple but so cute. And this is the finished look. I had no idea what I was going to do when I started the video. I just knew I wanted to use this palette. And I'm so happy with how the look turned out. And I'm so happy to be able to talk to you guys and film a video under the sunny weather. I don't know, I just feel very happy and very thankful right now for all the new makeup I get to try, for my new friend, for my new hairstyle that didn't look so ugly as I thought. It actually looks pretty cute. And I don't know, I'm just really happy right now. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I need to head out now. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself.